Do you want to make extra money over $2,000 a month easily on Amazon with tool4seller? Then this is the best guide video for you. 1. Sign up an Amazon individual or professional account based on your needs and a tool4seller account. 2. Download free tool4seller Chrome extension. Search the product you want to sell and check the price on Amazon. Check its monthly sales. Then click the Alibaba or eBay icon in the extension. Find cost-effective one as manufacturer. Back to the extension, click the profit calculator, calculate the money you can make. 3. Making listing include your title, image, and bullet points. Use listing generator in tool4seller. Enter some keywords, then you can get a delicate listing. What's more, it supports multi-language. 4. Start selling on Amazon. Things you should consider like reducing cost, managing inventory, improving listing, optimizing PPC, and so on with tool4seller. We will introduce these in the following tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and comment to follow with us.